Hello, welcome to Leo's Lockpad. Got a challenge locks today. It was sent to me by Hobby Picker, and it was sent to Hobby Picker by Crispy Bear. It was pinned by Crispy Bear. It's an American lock. It's something I've never ever picked before. I've never picked this type of lock. It does work absolutely fine. Very smooth actually. The key comes out and out there without any problems. Let's check out this bidding. Not too bad. Like I say, this is my very first challenge lock, and hopefully we'll be gutting it as well. My first gutting of a challenge lock. Just make sure we're not too tight. Yep, we're fine. Use a South Orb medium hook and a tension wrench that I made myself from an old Allen key. Use the bottom of the keyway. Not too much tension. Get a better view. Sorry about that. So I've got this bloody cold, it's driving me mad. That's pin 5. Pin 4 springy. Pin 3. Pin 2. Pin 1. Let's go for a reset. There we go, pin 5. That was 2. Nice click from that. Pin 1 still springy, so we've got something not right somewhere. Reset again. That was 5. That was pin 2. Counter rotation then. A bit more. Got quite a. Yeah, and do you know what? I think it's possibility. Nope. Thought it was done there because it's such a heavy set. Just try 5 again. No. It's in place. 3. No. Spring on number 2. No. Just making sure it's not catching at the back. Two's in place. 1. Oh, another click on number 3. Got nothing on there. I'll have to go for a full reset again. Right, here we go again. That was number 5. Number 4 just a touch. same with number 3. Got 2 clicks out of number 3. Oh, number 2 actually, sorry. Got spring on number 1. I don't want it springy, so something's not right there. One more time. There we go. There, look. And there we go. That is unlocked. I'll just slip it out a minute. There we go. As you can see, we are unlocked. I don't want to push it too far because I need to take it apart. Just bear with me a second, please. Please get me tweezers and my makeshift follower that I've got, so I can gut it. Let's have a look. Make sure we're just slightly turned because we don't want the pins falling out everywhere, flying all over me. In 1 second. Right, here we go. One screw. Next screw. Clasp off the back. There's a follower. So let me find the key. Let's put the key back in. Lock it back up, put the key in, and turn it to the left. Because really it should be a second. There we go. Yeah, pins are right there at the bottom. Doesn't have to be sideways like that. There we go. I got you. Right. Give me a second, I've got a better one than that. It's a bit too big there, that follower. I got a better one. Oop, give me 1 second there. We've got a pin. That's decided to. So I've got to do this the easy way for me, and then I can do it. So number 4 at the back. I'll do it that way. Number 5. Sorry, number 3. There we go. Number 3. And last but least, let me not lose him. Let me put the key on here. Those pins. There we go. Leave that like that. Let's have a look what we've got here. Let's have a look what we've got in the key. I'll do it the way it came out. Make it, there we go. Make it a lot easier for me, and then I can at least put it back together the right way. In the right way. And the next one. And last but least, oh, there we go. I'll just show you Right, from what I can see is we got a spool. Wow. These drive pins. Got a spool. We got a in the key pins. We have a spool, and we have. See, I don't know what all these pins are, so please let me know if you can. Got another spool. Well, that's the first time I've ever gutted, disassembled it, but at least I've made sure the pins go in the right order. I'm not going to take the springs out. But yeah, thank you very much for Hobby Picker sending me. Please check out his channel, and Crispy Bear, who this lock originally came from, who he pinned. Great pinning, mate. That's the maddest pinning I've seen in any lock that I've used myself. I'm sorry about the bit of the faffing and the messing up. It's the first time I've ever gutted a challenge lock. It's just a case of putting it back together again. But thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps in any way. Please subscribe. Bye.